cooking pan. Breakfast is ready. Come and eat. It's my husband's birthday. The fridge is empty. No meat, no eggs, no cake. There is only milk. Oh no, I used all the ingredients for breakfast this morning. It's Daddy's birthday. We must go shopping quickly.
Yes, Mommy, birthday!
Okay, I'm eating fast. Good. Finish and we go.
Dad's birthday is today. What should we get him?
A book? He likes to read.
No, a new shirt. Yeah, good idea.
A cake for my husband. A big cake or a small one? Not sure yet. Red velvet cake. 2 cups flour, 1 cup buttermilk, 2 eggs. Preheat oven. Lemon torte cake. But maybe the chocolate one? This one is my favorite. Looks good. Separate the egg whites from the yolks. Add the milk. Chocolate banana cake. Perfect for my husband's birthday. Oh, but I don't feel like shopping. I'll go anyway. We could buy a football jersey for Dad.
A jersey for Dad?
Yes, a blue one. He will like it.
Are you ready? Yes, we're ready. We're coming. Let's go.
Yeah! Here is the list. You read it to help?
What about me? You and me get the food.
Okay, Mom. We will make a cake for your father. We need fruits?
And chocolate.
Yes, good ideas. Look, red apples and bananas. Put them in the basket. Okay, bananas.
I get apple.
Good job. We need eggs, flour, and milk. Good, let's find them.
Flour is here.
Great, and milk? There, eggs. Yes.
I got the milk.
Thank you, sweetie. What kind of cake are we making? A chocolate cake for Dad. Awesome! I put the eggs in the cart.
Oh, the toys.
We don't have time. We need to get the ingredients for the cake. We need sugar to make the cake.
Okay, Mommy.
The sugar is on the left.
I see it. Mom, I want a lollipop.
No, we have cake.
Please, Mom.
We could make a quiche. Good idea. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
What is wrong? Nothing. Let's go.
Okay.
For the quiche, we need ham.
Okay, Mom.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help?
We are looking at the ham.
This ham is very good, only $12.90. Look, this one is bigger for $29.90. You can choose any.
Hello. I want 5 slices of ham, please.
Of course, right away.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did we forget anything?
No, look, flour, eggs, sugar, milk, chocolate, ham.
Great, we have everything. Hello.
$1.99.
Next is the eggs.
$2.49.
You're good at this.
The total is $30. Okay, here is the money.
Can we go now? I'm hungry.
Yes, let's go.
Excuse me, I saw on the camera, the little girl took a lollipop.
A lollipop? Is this true?
Sorry, Mommy.
Why did you steal?
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Here is the lollipop. Give it to the guard.
Sorry, sir.
Thank you.
Never again. I am angry. You stole a lollipop. Stealing is wrong. You can go to prison.
Sorry, Mom. I won't do it again.
Be nice tonight. It's Dad's birthday.
Can I help make the cake?
Of course you can. We need 2 cups of sugar
How much flour?
and 3 bananas. Yes, and 2 eggs.
Okay. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20.
Okay, into the oven for 15 minutes.
Yay! I can't wait!
Me too. It's gonna be great. The cake is in the oven.
Yay! Now presents.
Yes! Let's wrap them. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's wrap the gifts for Dad.
I want to wrap the watch.
I have a football jersey for him. First, we put the paper on the jersey. Okay, Mommy.
Can I help?
Yes. Pull it over.
Like this?
Yes, hold it. Good. Now, cut here.
Can I cut?
Okay. Okay, cut the paper.
I am cutting it.
Good. Now fold the jersey.
I fold it.
Great job! Let's go see if the cake is ready in the oven.
Okay, I want to see.
Yes, let's go! Careful, it's hot.
Wow, they look good.
Let's see if they are cooked.
They smell good.
Let's check if the cake is cooked.
Is it ready?
Yes, it's perfect. Now, let's decorate for Daddy's birthday.
Yay! Wow, so many things.
Yes! Let's put these up.
And balloons for the ceiling?
Great idea.
Wow, look at all the colors.
Yes, so many colors. What shapes?
Balloons, red, blue, and yellow. I'll blow up a balloon.
Okay, good idea.
Hee, yes. It's getting big.
I will inflate balloons. Yay, balloons! Great, let's decorate. Here is a balloon.
Thank you.
He will love this surprise.
Yes. How old is Dad?
He is very old. He is 35.
Wow.
35 is not old.
Hee.
Really?
But that's old. No, it's not.
It's a good age.
Listen, a car.
It's Dad! Quick! Hide! It's a surprise!
Over here.
What a long day at work. Now, time to go home. Finally home.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
The kids have a surprise. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Shh, Daddy's here.
Let's surprise him.
3, 2. Surprise, Daddy! Happy birthday!
Wow, this is amazing.
Do you like it, Dad?
I love it. Thank you.
We did it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you. What is it?
A present for you.
Wow, I love it.
Let's open the presents at the table.
Yay! And the cake? Yes, the cake.
Of course. Let's go.
Open it, Dad.
Wow, a red jersey. Number 12. I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome, Dad. Dad, open the gift.
Okay, let's see.
Wow, a watch. I love it. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Dad, we have a surprise for you. Yes, a big surprise. It's a gift. Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you today. Big hugs and kisses. Hip, hip, hooray. Cake. I want cake. Me too. It's yummy.
I want the famous chocolate cake. Goodbye, thank you, and subscribe.
Bye!